you hear that? Today I will teach you how to judge engine failure through abnormal noise. The sound of engine knocking cylinder. The sound of the engine belt being damaged. The sound of a damaged oil pump. The sound of the 3-way and 4-position valve being damaged. The sound of the piston pin breaking. The sound of the balance shaft being damaged. The sound of a damaged electronic thermostat. The sound of damaged engine bearings. The sound of damaged engine valves. Memorize these sounds and you can diagnose car problems yourself. Follow me, learn car knowledge every day.